Hey, thanks for dropping by. Can't Let Her Die DIY. If you found this channel, you must have a Chevy Colorado, a GMC Canyon, or maybe a Hummer, or maybe you're a general YouTuber. Love to have you. This is a 2005 Chevy Colorado. This is a great truck. We love it. We can't let it die. No way. It does wear out some parts after, what, 16 years? 415,000 kilometers? Trying to make it to 500,000, 500,000 kilometers. What's going to go out first? The engine, the transmission, what's going to take it out? The differential, is it going to be rust? Who knows? It could go at any time. Parts are going to wear out on me before they wear out on you. So you can see what's coming with your truck, and you can see how you can do it yourself. Most of it is just taking bolts off, putting bolts back on. Taking parts on, putting parts back on. You got this, you do. And if this truck isn't old enough for you, check out Sabrina. Sabrina is a MGB Mark IV Roadster, 1977. This thing is old. We can't let this die. It's too much fun. Too much fun in the sun. We gotta keep this thing going as well. We got all kinds of videos for you. You're going to love it. And if that's not enough, we got an F-150 3.5 EcoBoost engine. We got a Kubota L2550 1986. It's 35 years old. Can't let that die. We're working that all the time through the summer, getting rid of snow. Can't let that go. No. All these parts, all these videos, it's going to be great. So if you're considering doing some of the work yourself, you come to the right place. Don't pay for labor. You can do this yourself. It's mostly just taking parts off, putting new parts on, taking bolts off, putting bolts back on. You got this. You really do. And we have a lot of laughs and a lot of fun along the way. We approve products, and some products are destined for the dump. This puppy is destined for the dump. Gone. Now, putting this puppy back in because we love this. This is beautiful. It's worth its weight in gold. You know, I get it right sometimes. Sometimes I make the mistake, and I don't hide it. I show you so that you can see what pitfalls to avoid. Both connection points, they just push on. Not like that. Well, I guess I'll be getting another clip. You put it on the right spot and it clips. I had it in the wrong spot. Darn it. Well, I make these mistakes so you don't have to. Anyway, we have a great time. That's 13mm bolt coming off. Big moment here, folks. Big moment. The pan is coming off. And voila. That's enough of that. Let's check out some videos. And if you like what you see, give me some comments. I love hearing from you. Give me the thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscription button. Love it. I love it. You got this. You do.